adventure with c&c, and today in this video, we're going to be doing a science experiment for our school. Right now, our dad is grading the cabbage, and also our baby is being made. Okay, can you say hi to the viewers? Can you say hi? Whoa! No, say hi. Hi. Good job. There are 2 cups of cabbage in the pan, and we're going to boil it.
Boil. How are you going to boil it?
With water?
Yes, we're going to cover it with water and then put it on the stove to boil.
Okay.
Look out, look out, look out, look out.
Look out, Kagan.
Look out.
Adult only.
Let's let it cool a little bit. Okay, so we need a 1/2 cup in here.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Since this is still hot, I'm going to do it.
Ew. Oh.
Smell this. Now we're going to pour in some vinegar. See what happens, okay?
Turns it pink.
You're supposed to shake it. That's right. It's on. We'll shake it.
Shika. It turns pink. Now it definitely looks like grape juice.
Just a little bit of soap flakes. Ready?
Is anything happening?
No, it looks the same. It just looks
Same?
like it has stuff.
Okay.
It's just lighter in color.
Okay. What next?
The cream of tartar.
Ooh, what's happening? Now baking soda. I really think something is going to happen.
Whoa!
Oh! I was right. Whoa. Turned blue. And now it looks like grape juice again. No! Blue juice. Oh man, it's definitely changing color now.
Wow. Whoa. I told you something would happen. I see the soap flakes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, last one. See what happens. Now, this is super dangerous.
Yes. And nothing. Mommy. Shake it.
What happened? Did anything change?
No.
The fizz went
The
away.
fizz went away.
Maybe it'll fizz up again
He
if
has
we
his
take
own
the lid
experiment
off.
things he wants to try.
Peanut butter.
Well, I want to say thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please give us likes. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe too. Goodbye. Thank you for watching too.